Let's make banana pudding hot chocolate bombs. First, you're going to need your almond bark. You're going to put that in the microwave 30 to 60 seconds until it's melted. Add some banana cream jello pudding. Add some crunched up vanilla wafers. Put that into your mold, whatever mold you choose. Make sure it is nicely coated. Put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Take it out. Add another coating because you need to make sure it is coated well. Then you're going to put a hot pan in the oven, and you're going to run your edges over that so you can make your edges nice and clean and it's easy for you to connect. Add your hot chocolate and your marshmallows. Then you're going to put your top back on. And I like to drizzle a little bit of the chocolate on top and some of the vanilla wafers. And then you just make it pretty. Put it in your coffee mug, pour some hot milk over it, and boom, you have your banana pudding hot chocolate bomb. Amazing.